Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're looking at something from ITALERI. This is the JERRYCANS set, number 402 in 1/35th scale. So here on the front cover, we can see here, or top cover, you can see various configurations and paint variations for the cans. If we continue on the side of the box, we can see here on this side two other example kits, 401 barricades and 407 accessories. Continuing on the edge, some more variations of the pictures and a couple different languages. Some more information on this side, including barcode, and this is from 1995. If we look on the back cover, here we can see here some brief instructions, as well as some assembly instructions and variations, depending on which country you want to set up. And I do believe it comes with two trees. And here, again, are some instructions in various languages. Just happen to have a couple different boxes, but let's go ahead and take a look on the inside here. Again, those were the primary instructions on the box itself, but here's some of the important information in different languages. And here we just have the two trees themselves. We did use some of the pieces, but you can get the idea of what the other sets look like. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one, if we can. So this is an unopened box. Again, the paper, you can see here trees are by themselves. You notice a variation in the plastic coloring there. But here again, you can see the various styles of cans from the imprint pattern there, as well as the caps and handles, and these frame pieces, which you can slice up into variations, however you want to set them up. But you can see here already two different color variations in the plastic, which is kind of interesting. But taking a very quick look at JERRYCANS from ITALERI, kit number 402. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos, as well as a series of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.